fragrance fam, and welcome to today's video. My name is Caitlin, and thank you for joining me in the AFI Project Lab. If you've been checking out the latest trends in the candle making market lately, you've noticed the terms luxury, high-end, and lavish being used a lot. So how do you take a regular candle and turn it into a luxury item with fancy appeal? Let me show you how in today's tutorial using our Summer Nights fragrance. Get your wax melted down to fill your candle vessel using your preferred method. I'm using my wax melting pot, but a double boiler and a pouring pitcher works just as fine. Creating a luxury candle has a lot to do with the vessel, fragrance, and label design you choose. Keeping that in mind, I'm sticking with my tried and true wax for my candles, GW464. This is a 100% soy wax, which has become a super popular option for consumers that appreciate the more natural appeal of soy over paraffin. Conversations about soy versus paraffin aside, using a 100% soy wax does add lots of label appeal to your candles. While this is melting, let's chat about the containers that I've chosen. The vessels that you select play a large role in how your candles are perceived. Mason jars offer a more rustic look, whereas plain matte black jars are sleeker and modern. To achieve the luxury look that I'm going for with my candles, I picked out these beautiful embossed glass jars. They remind me of crystalline chandeliers. Luxury indeed. When you pick out your own vessels, imagine what you might see on a shelf in a high-end house. Do your jars look like they would fit in with the lavish decor of a million-dollar mansion? There isn't really a right or wrong answer as to what that might look like to you, but I find hopping on Pinterest and looking at different styles of home decor gives me a lot of ideas. Whatever you choose, wick the vessels using sticker tabs and wicks suitable for the size of your candle. Mine have a diameter of a little under 3 inches, and since I'm using soy wax, a 6-inch Eco 8 wick is good. So my wax is fully melted down, and we're gonna take a quick temperature check. Great, and it seems like I'm ready to add the fragrance. I find that 185 degrees is the best additive temperature for a good throw. The fragrance that you pick can make or break whether your candle is perceived as luxury or not. Some notes to look out for when you're going for a high-end feel are sandalwood, amber, oak moss, tonka, vanilla, and ambergris. All of these aromas are associated with rare and expensive ingredients and are often found in luxury perfumes. That's why our Summer Nights fragrance is perfect for invoking opulence with notes of musk, amber, and vanilla. I already have it measured out, so I'm just gonna add it to my melted wax while it's still at the ideal temperature. Once you've got it fully mixed in, transfer it to a pouring pitcher if you're using a melting pot like me, or just remove it from the double boiler. I recommend warming your vessel beforehand with a heat gun or placing them in an oven on low heat. Let's pour up the candles. With the jars all filled, center your wicks with a dowel or a long toothpick. I like to do this by curling the wick around the dowel into a little spiral. It keeps the wick in place and it gives it a nice look after the candle is cooled and the dowel is removed. I'll check back when my candles are complete. Just check these out, guys. Let me just slide out one of the dowels so we can see how pretty the wicks look. I love it. Curl the wicks down a little bit more so you can fit the bamboo lid onto the jar, and don't forget to add the safety label on the bottom. And that's it. Let the candles cure for about a week if you use soy wax like me for the best hot and cold throw before they go on your store shelves. So what do you guys think about my little luxury candles? I hope this video helped you make your candles seem a little bit more high-end to compete in today's booming market. Subscribe and ring that bell icon to become a member of the Fragrance Fam for more help with your products and branding. Please let me know what you'd like to see in our next video. Don't forget to check out Summer Nights in our web store and sign up for our weekly newsletter for exclusive 10% off discounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.